Hi, let's create a Python class console main programming code that takes input to check the capability of ChatGPT and the future of software engineers. Okay, I've just typed in create a Python class console main programming code that takes input. Let's see how it goes, and I will test it in the Python interface. Okay, it also documents what it's doing as it does it. And it explains what it has done. The details can be read there, not to waste time, so I'm going to proceed ahead. I'm going to take this code, and I'm going to take it to a Python IDE, a code which I have just taken from ChatGPT. Let's run it. And I'm creating a new terminal so that I see the output, and I'm going to run this program. Okay, so let's give Alice. This program takes in an input just as I have requested. And it gives me the output there, pretty much what is going on in this input.